Your search for your home away from home ends here. Chatham Court Reflections is a gorgeous student accommodation located in Dallas that features a stunning selection of furnished luxurious 1- and 2-bedroom apartments. Apartments are completely tailored to your needs, which means you won't have to worry about additional setup costs since the kitchens come fully equipped with high-quality appliances. Enjoy sipping your morning mug of coffee as you appreciate Dallas's scenic views from your private balcony. But what we loved the most about this property is that you won't have to bid farewell to your fur babies thanks to the well-planned pet policies. In addition, the property also features some amazing communal spaces like a social lounge, fitness studio, swimming pool, cricket court, business center, and more to help you bring in your A game and have an unforgettable student stay. The rent here is inclusive of all bills, so you won't have to worry about your internet and common amenities. Both the popular universities, including International American University and the University of Texas at Dallas, are only a 10-minute drive from the property, helping you combat your morning blues like a pro. Your dream stay is just a click away. Visit amberstudent.com to get started today.